Hey, how's everybody doing? Lou from RV Habit. Today I'm going to be replacing the Maxxair fan on my RV. Now the one I have up there was damaged due to a hurricane, so I purchased a new one. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like $270. This is their top of the line model, the 7500, which allows air to exhaust. You can pull air in. You can set it to turn on automatically based on the temperature. Super great fan. I have the same one, and like if my air conditioner's not on, this fan is on and it runs constantly. Even when the rig's parked, I have a temperature set so there's a constant flow of air in there and it doesn't get any mildew or anything. But we're going to try and replace it today. Now when you buy this, it comes as a complete package. You get the fan, you get the mounting bracket that goes to the RV roof. You also get the inside finish trim for the RV. Now I'm hoping that I don't have to touch that roof part because the only thing that's broke is this part, and this is a cool design. It attaches to this frame that's mounted to the RV with 4 screws, 2 on each side. So hopefully I can just replace this part and not have to do all the roof work. So let's get up there and take a look. So this is the Maxxair fan that's installed in my RV, and you can see I can just pull it up. All the gears and everything in there are busted. So I am going to just try, actually I can probably pull this maybe. There's 2 screws on each side. I'm going to try and just take these out and see if this will just lift up. And we're at the last screw here. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, it's perfect. All right, so you see I have 2 wires here. To get into them so I can make the new connections. But that looks great. So this is all intact, no damage. Actually, the die-core looks fantastic. Again, this is what broke the gears. The wind caught this overhang. That's one of the, I guess, downfalls of this. It's got an overhang so the rain doesn't come in. The wind caught it and literally ripped it right open, broke all the gears inside. Everything else on the RV held good. The regular vent covers were fine. The satellite was fine. Everything, just this took damage. So I'm gonna go down, get some wire accessories, bring up the new one, and we'll put it on. So because I'm replacing this, I know from the other one, the black is the hot, the white is the neutral. And so I don't need a wire tester. I know the neutrals go here, the hots go here. So I'll just remove this wire and then we can connect the new one. And that is really screwed together well. Okay, so that's the positive off. And it's really windy up here. If you're getting some wind noise from the microphone, I'm just going to put this back on here temporarily in case I don't want to touch nothing with that positive because it is hot. I didn't disconnect it. Same thing, I'll remove the white wire. Okay, and then we can get rid of this old one. So this is the new lid. We'll just lay it right here. Actually, we can put it upside down because I have plenty of wire to work with. I might even, you know what? I'm gonna cut some of this because make it easier to hide. And we'll strip it out. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll make all these connections. And these are crimp nuts. That's what they used on the rig when they built it. Some people don't like them. I don't know. I've never had a problem with them. You just squeeze them and it holds all the wires real tight together. Give it a little tug test. Okay, I got a good connection. And I'll do the same for the neutral. Okay, I know I got power because the fan just did something. And we'll put this crimp nut on here and re-squeeze it. Same thing, I'm going to give it a tug test, make sure that's all good. And now I'm just going to run these wires down in here, hide them in there, so we can get this connected. So I have most of my wires tucked in there, and the rest I could feed in as I go down. But you can see this is going to be really simple. I've just got to put it in with the 4 screws that go in the side. Now I'm going to tell you how they build things. This is the screw, I don't know if you can see it, that came out of what I took. That is a flathead. I call them tech screws, but a self-tapping screw. It's not the correct screw per Maxxair fan. It's his pan head, and if you could see it, even the thread size is different. The thread size is much larger on the ones Maxxair supplies. So right off the bat, this was installed with the wrong screws. I'm surprised it didn't loosen and rattle, but I'm going to use the new screws that I got with the new fan. So let's get this on. Now the first thing, I've got to be able to access these screws. So there's a manual knob on here, and I'm just going to open this up, and you can see it'll lift. So now I can access those screw holes when I put it down. And the hardest part is probably just going to be lining it up so it slips in properly. Get those wires in there. And that's it. I think I'm in. All right, let's give it a try. And this is plastic, so you just want to go snug. Don't over tighten it, you'll crack it. Back one went in real easy. And there we go. And we'll do the other side. Okay, we'll get these in here on this side. This truly is a great design. Otherwise, if this was an ordinary fan, I would have had to replace all this framework that's attached to the RV. This is so simple. 4 screws, 2 wires. We'll go down and make sure it works, and I'll peel this off here. Okay, I'll give you a look of it. Looks great. Okay, let's go down. Okay, so that's it on the inside. Now this here, I didn't replace any of this. This was here, but they included in the kit when I bought it. So I have an extra one of these. You know, I didn't need to replace this, so I didn't. And it has all the controls on the corner of the fan, plus a manual up and down knob. You can manually do this. And you can turn it on or off from here. And you can see it'll open up the fan. I can reverse the fan. And now it's blowing air in. Oh, that's nice. I like that. My other one did not have that feature to blow the air in, so that was really nice. So it also comes with a remote. Let me get it. I don't know where it is. So here's the remote. It's a little more updated than my my old Maxxair fan, and it has an on-off switch. It has a temperature control, so I can set the automatic temperature, which is nice because you set the temperature. Say I set it to 84 degrees, where it's on now up here in the left-hand corner. I press auto. If the temperature goes above 84 degrees, the fan will come on automatically. It's a great feature. I used to use that all the time. You can open and close the lid separately down here, and you can reverse the fan, so you can have it either exhaust or intake. And the big fan, the little fan is the speeds. So you see it has 10%, 20, 30, 40. It has 10 speeds on it. So a little more upgraded than what I had, but super simple to put in. So that's it. This was really a piece of cake. So if you have an older Maxxair fan, you want to upgrade to one that has better features, really a very easy upgrade. Or if the one you currently have is damaged, I'm going to leave links below and on my website rvhabit.com for this fan and their other models. So if you want, just check down below or check my website. But this one, I didn't even nick myself. No blood. It was really 4 screws, 2 wires. As always, though, I appreciate you watching. Till next time, see you soon.